October. Leave my things by the door and lay down. Give it an hour and pick up the phone and call you. My voice on a line says, how you been? Are you knocking my way? Can I call up? Said, I've been gone, I've been rambling long. Can we meet up? My old friend, he's a talking machine, no let up. I love him deep, but it's easy to hear he's fed up. That's why I got out, now his work's dried out in Australia. Bare to the bones, but I'm coming home. And you ask what's wrong, well, did I move on? How's the weather? I said I don't know, but now I'm home, things will be better. Said I'm the fool. So how long will I wait for you? Said I want to. And how long will I wait for you? Sweet October's mine. And you roll your eyes as you say goodnight. Close the door, son. And I breathe in slow as I light my smoke on your pavement. Oh, how can I slow down in this one-horse town? I'm wasted, left in no doubt on my way out. October, to the sweeter